It's time to change the world in Voidigo, our video game.
Welcome to another DEVLOG! Today we're gonna set up our new whiteboard, because we're planners now.
Game developers plan before they develop.
We're gonna use this black pencil for most important things. We're gonna use the blue one for underwater areas of the game. And this red one is for lava! Can you guess what this is? So this update is gonna add a whole new world generation!
The world map in Voidigo used to be the same all the time. You started in the middle and then you had these...
This is one too many areas.
So you start here and then connections are made between the areas.
We're about to change that with the world update.
Wait, I got a red pencil! No.
You can do one big. Yell no.
No, thank you!
Gone with the round world map, where you always started in the middle. Say hello to random world map, where you start... Where?
Ah, that's a mystery.
Okay, so I walk here. Bam! An area. Wow, you explored. But wait a minute. Here was also a question mark. So you walk here. Shop area! The areas are random. So maybe the map will look like this.
And we'll also have different kinds of areas than we did before.
This is one area. This is one area. This is another area. A little bigger. Huge area.
What's your favorite area? Let us know in the comments down below.
But that's not all this update. We're also gonna do more interactables. Interactables are these entities in the world where you can interact.
It could be like a little thing. You interact with this thing and you get a heart. We're gonna have more of this.
The new ones we're gonna do in this video is a seller, where you can sell stuff. Yeah. Recharger, where you can get a manly ghost. And a ghost mama quest. Another big thing for this update are challenges.
I think the players will really love all the challenges. Not only in life, but also in the game.
This whiteboard will enable us to do so much more for the game.
Yay!
It's Axel with his hair.
That's my glasses!
This is his hair.
My glasses have fell down. That's my hat! Something... I guess code is really hard.
This might actually break the game as we know it.
Damn, man, it might.
Axel will have the task to do the big changes to the world map. I am happy that he's gonna do it and not me.
This was scary. Be honest, Axel.
Reworking the world map can be very scary. It's a lot of old systems that we had to rework to make it work.
There's world maps in all kinds of different games. Zelda, Mario, and our game.
I don't know what Robin's deal is, but he needs to cool it.
So the world map used to be this circle, but now we can have all these kinds of funny shapes.
That shape looks like a llama that is kind of looking back at the other llamas going, what's happening?
We had to rework the entire world map, all the UI, throw it away, and how we spawn all these funny interactables, throw it away. We had to rework it from the bottom of the well.
This is basically like making the new Matrix movie again.
Check this out. Here's all the funny
What?
debug information.
I never saw this.
This is the grid that the world can sit upon, and it picks a random spot and it grows all these branches of the world. Now these branches, they can be all kinds of different areas. For example, this one is the North Forest. I'd like to venture there. And if I were to restart the world, which is something...
Wait, did you release the new patch?
I think I accidentally merged in the branch with the AI virus.
No!
But really, this change is huge and will probably cause a bunch of new errors and bugs for us. It will be a big task for Axel, but look at him. He is ready for anything.
This is my new screen. 2 of the new interactables will be like steampunk robots, and I thought I could make a new system. This new system will not revolutionize animation as we know it in Voidigo, but we can use it for some simple stuff. You draw a part of a limb, and then you draw another part, but it's separate. Maybe you draw it like in another file, but then in the game you put them together like a puppet, and then we have all these parts and you put them together, and then we can tell the game to animate it. It's gonna be interesting, and we can use it later, so it's double thumbs up. It's gonna be revolutionized Voidigo as we know it, even though I flashback. This new system will not revolutionize animation as we know it in Voidigo. I said that it's not gonna do it, but it's gonna do it. The same flashback, but I dub it. It's gonna revolutionize Voidigo! That's how easy you can do deepfakes. I'm working on the cellar, and I want to break it down, what I'm working on here. First of all, I'm gonna show you a bunch of bouncing currency that will entice players to, well, maybe I should do this trade. And if I add this, bam, you get the entirety of the machine. It's kinda boring, so I added our shopkeeper on top of the machine. Give it a little bit of the spice.
To use this interactable, you pop in what it wants, and then it kinda like unlocks, and then you get money!
And then the whole machine breaks, because that's how it works.
This interactable can ask for your weapon, or a power-up, or even a little ghost, where you hurt yourself to get money, like real life.
The weapon kinda unlocks the thing. It felt like Tom Cruise. But yeah, the cellar.
Can we get a Tom Cruise unlocking a door impression?
Yeah, unlock this. Yeah. Top Gun. So how was it to make this world map? Did you manage?
It was a really interesting experience for me, and quite a challenge, to be sure. And speaking of challenges...
Oh, the segue! Oh my god.
Axel will also take on the challenges. First, he needs to set up a big change. All houses you enter need to enter this little hub area.
And some people might think that's easy,
but it ain't.
It ain't.
It's a big change when the game never was like this, and now it needs to be like this.
We have all these systems, and then we need to add something new. Even if it's like a little small hub area like that, it can be difficult, because we need to do it the correct way.
But the fun thing is that from now on, it's super easy, because we have the system in place. Yo!
Can you get that coin, Axel?
The doors will be the challenges, so you can pick and choose as you please.
Here, I can get the banana gun. Oh, that makes me hungry for banana.
Robin, you want a banana?
No. I'll go for the other door then. because I can't eat a full banana by myself. This is the Voidling challenge. Here, each enemy will respawn as a scary monster man. So when he dies, he turns into Scary Man. Imagine when you someone in real life when they come back as a monster man.
You wouldn't want that, right?
He hasn't killed before, has he? This time, let's go into one of the shell homes. This time I can pick the traffic light challenge or the formless challenge. I love traffic, so this ought to be fun. Now this is how real traffic lights work in real life. In video games, things are often a little bit crazier. So during the traffic challenge, I'm only allowed to move when it's not red.
This is actually my favorite challenge.
Yeah, it's a really funny one. And also the enemies... Oh, fucking game sucks!
We're gonna have to get the challenge rolling again. I'm sorry about this.
Let's do the traffic light challenge again! Now, when it's red, even the enemies and the bullets are popped.
He failed again. Is it too hard?
No, I'm just so interested in walking all the time. Here we go
So
again!
stop moving when it turns yellow.
Oh yeah. And now I can actually shoot a bunch of bananas to release them at the right time. And even the enemies are not allowed to... Oh, suck on those bananas. I'm a bit scared to move during this.
Yeah.
I did it! I guess even without a driver's license, I can take on the challenge of traffic. Now, in real life, I wouldn't be able to legally, but in the funny, creative world of Voidigo, I'm the prince of my own making.
Another interactable, the recharger.
The recharger is an interactable for those that are down on their luck.
And you really need a way to get back in the game. It recharges you, gets you full HP and full ammo. So you walk up to it, greets you with strong arms, and then it waits for you to feed it. This one, you don't unlock this one, you feed it. Think about that one before putting something alive inside of it.
Who in the office inspired the strong arms?
I don't know who inspired it, but we have strong arms in the game now, and let's feed it a little bit of my heart. It spawned something. We didn't have to do this, but it's better for the game because the recharge ability thing is a pickup now. We can spawn it from several stuff. That's fun gaming.
I'm so happy with the 3D rotation of this ghost, because it's not 3D, I made that by hand in pixely art.
It's rotating in 3D, but it's pixel art. We did it frame by frame. So happy with this.
3D spinning? Ew! I like when the funny character's spinning 3D.
That looks like shit. I don't want to start a beef or something, but Axel saying that to my face, that hurt my feelings. Also, because it's a recharger, it's all about the oh and yeah. Let's try it. I love it.
Can we get a Tom Cruise eating a puffer fish impression?
Let's do this. I'm gonna walk over there.
I love it.
And now to one of the most important parts. Robin will do the sound design.
Hey guys, sound guy here.
Sounds for a game is like a soup with a spoon in it. That's the game. You gotta scoop it up. And without the audio, how are you gonna know where the soup is?
In this update, he will make the sound design for the challenges and the interactables.
Been working on these crazy contraptions.
How did you make the sounds for this?
The lines Jace already have, but with filter. I just added auto-tune and a vocoder. So it's just... So the original is more like a normal person, and this is more like a robot person. So this is the same thing, but sexier and musclier. This guy has gone to the gym, let me tell you. And then we have this little guy, and I think this is just... Yeah, it's just me saying, oh yeah! I went real simple with that one. As we have said, we added challenge rooms, and all of these new challenges. How many challenges, Walter?
8, 9?
Really?
Or something?
No,
10?
more. 16 challenges. All of these have their own customized jingle. There we go. This isn't all the jingles. Here's a tip. Don't do all the jingles in one project, because it's going to be too big.
For everyone that needs to do 16 jingles.
Yeah, for everyone that needs to do exactly this, split it up into different projects, guys. That is the no-hit challenge. This is a mix of, you see here, this is just sound effects. This is all of our custom sound effects mishmashed together. So some of these aren't even music or musical.
The revive,
Yep.
I guess.
That's a traffic light. Because I was thinking 80s New York street.
Yeah.
So these are really simple because if I would have spent a lot of time on each one, we couldn't have
That many.
So this was semi-stressful. Wasn't too bad. The challenge was figuring out what to do. You know, how do you connect this sound to this thing? Do you have any questions, Walter?
No.
I just want to wish everyone a happy birthday if your birthday is today. I'm really psyched for you. I hope everything works out and that you're gonna get into the college you've been trying to get into.
And now it's time to see how it all came together. I have a little surprise for Robin and Axel. They're gonna get to play Voidigo before the world update. It'll be fun to see the reactions of the old world and how it's way worse.
What? I have to play the old Voidigo? Sucks!
Because the game changed a lot with this update.
First off, let me see where I am in the world.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
So far, I've played for a little bit and goddamn, I haven't been given a player choice yet. Other than kicking ass bad style.
Bad style.
Kicking ass badass style. And the map is making me snooze.
Yeah, I hate this. Like the old version sucks.
Yeah, it's sucks big time.
Yeah.
And now let's play the new version and feel the change. I hope it's good. Let's see how they react.
That's true. And right away.
The hell! Remember last time I didn't get a single player choice on this guy?
Player choice.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Oh, player choice.
Player choice again?
You know what? Do I want my measly health?
Your measly Ron Weasley hell.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna have money instead. And with my money, I can buy whatever I like. I don't like any of these. So many player choices right out of the bat.
Yeah, that was an incredibly fast.
Yeah.
And this is an interesting little extra area where Walter gets to make another choice.
We didn't have those before.
But. He can choose to fill in his last little baby cradle.
With money. Maybe I should use the new icons to figure out where to go on the map. Wait.
Oh, I know. It's to the right of you.
Thank you.
Milord.
And what do I do now? Well, I give the babies to the mama.
Oh, and what's that I can hear? Is it but a lullaby?
That's sad. More health again. I sold health earlier.
Hey, you don't have full health, nor do you have full ammo, do you?
This is better as well. That's just good. So big update. The game is like right away. It was interesting to play the game, and it wasn't before. Like it was nah.
It was the same ass start every ass time. now it's so much as better. If you're a gamer that played this before, I urge you to try it again. Because now it's really fun, even funner.
And buy it.
If you have a wallet, maybe you oughta use it every once in a while.
I'm happy. Thank you for watching this devlog. This was edited by our good friend Felix Recenserar.
Rock on Felix Recenserar. As I always say at the end of these.
That's how we got him. Flatter and Hägges Premium.
Rock on Felix Recenserar.
Thank you for watching, everyone, and see you next devlog. It's gonna be amazing.
Hey, we got something even grander being cooked up right at the... Oh, sweet. Okay, see ya.
Yeah.
Good.